My cousin was asking me about the quality of my compost pile and if I was doing it properly. Any of these pieces of wood that are not, it's like, I think it's pressure treated, it's not rotten. But he was asking me about the quality of my compost pile. So this is a video for him. This was back in the back. That thing went all the way across. All this wood was there. The dirt has gone here, this big pile. The wood is here. I'm trying to pick the bigger ones up, put it in the bottom. The weeds I got yesterday are in there, and I intermix them. And basically, I use that triangular hoe to pull the stuff out, get a big pile of it going, and I use that scoop to get it over, and that's it. That's what's going on. I haven't weeded any this year, so that the big thornless blackberries over there, and it's doing real good, but all those weeds are taking over, and the stuff that's growing on that's like a Japanese watermelon. It started in there and it's all over there. But this first right here, planter, I got all the weeds out of there. That's these.